Hi, today we're going to look at the Ebow Plus. I bought this quite a while back, so I don't know how it compares to the one that they sell nowadays. But this is when they included, there was a cassette lesson. So there was a cassette with this, but I don't know what happened to it. So what is the Ebow? The Ebow is an electronic magnet that when you put it beside a magnetic pickup on an electric guitar, it sustains for as long as the battery lasts on this Ebow. Okay, so Ebow, let's have a look on the official site. Despite its frequent use in classic rock of rock and pop history, the Ebow finds itself today as an outsider amongst the large body of guitar effects. I can't read today. Often heard, seldom recognized is the motto here. At the same time, this unassuming little helper offers what many guitarists dream of: sustain that is unlimited with virtually no end. Okay, so the Ebow generates a magnetic field whereby the string is brought to oscillate continuously. Now with the additional harmonic mode, this does have the harmonic mode. So there's two settings. One is normal, second one is harmonic. And it's powered via a 9-volt battery, like so. Yeah, includes manual and bag. There was no bag with this. Okay, so let's open it up. This is the Ebow Plus. So we have the Ebow itself. The logo is here. And it's got this kind of shiny gray look. And if you look up close, there's kind of like flakes. So if you know, I think it's Galaxy. They say like Galaxy Blue. It's kind of got kind of sparkles in them. Sparkle Blue or whatever. Okay, so I don't have the cassette. So what's included in the box? We have an Ebow sticker. We have instructions. So this is the player's guide. Blue LED. Opening tips. I don't think I ever read this before. I just use it for emulating the slide guitar. So it's got FAQ, the Ebow story. What's this? Since 1976. This, wow, long time ago. That has lists of people that used it. So you have the Edge from U2, Def Leppard, Van Halen on Spanked, Flock of Seagulls, Fate No More, Pearl Jam, Oasis used it in What's the Story, Morning Glory. Metallica used it, Unforgiven and Blackened. Anybody else? Oh, Steve, yeah. I don't know. Did he use the Sustainiac? All About Eve? I don't know. I'll have to check that up later. Weird Al is on here as well. Cheap Trick. Kiss. Yeah, lots of people used it. Player's guide. So how the Ebow works. Opening tips. How to switch the positions. How to hold the Ebow. Gliding, string activation. This is actually quite detailed. Tilting, rocking, controlling the harmonics, arpeggios. Yeah, I remember listening to the cassette a long time ago, and they were able to do like sweeping arpeggios with it. I don't know how they did it. You can make it sound like a flute, a cello, a horn, harmonica. Yeah. A lot of information on that. I think this is just warranty disclaimer. The amazing Plus Ebow. That's Ebow Plus. This looks a lot different to the other thing. I guess this is another manual. See, this is the cassette that I got originally with it. Don't know what happened to it. This bag, I never got this bag. Look at this guy. having lots of fun. Oh, this is the guy, Lenny Walker. He's the guy that's on the tape. Infinite sustain, violin-like bowing strokes, spiccato effect, arpeggiate, use with a slide, tonal slur, scream with the energy slide, harmonize on the one string, get outrageous feedback, annoy the neighbors. Yeah. With piercing harmonics, imitate a flute, multi-track a string quartet, pick and ebow simultaneously, use 2 ebows if you dare. Yeah, I'm not going to buy another ebow just to do that. Oh, and another song list of where it was used. I think this is a copy of it. Okay. Alright, so this is the Ebow itself. There's a switch here. Middle is off. Left is normal. Right is harmonic mode. Then the magnets are in here, and there's guides for where to place the opposite string. So you'd have a string here, then the target string will be in the middle, and then the other resting string, I guess, would be on this side. It's got this kind of weird shape where you can kind of hold it different positions. You can hold it like this. There's a little clip here. You unclip it, and it has access to the battery compartment. Then it has this 9-volt connector like so. The battery goes in. And it clips like that. Then it sits back in and you clip it closed to check that it's working. There's this blue LED. So it's off. This is the harmonic mode and the normal mode. That is the Ebow. So what I'll do is I will set up the camera and show you some sounds on the Ebow. Let's do it.